Ayana, say good afternoon everybody. Say good afternoon mga shots. Good afternoon from my baby Ayana. We have another messy hair. Can we fix your hair, baby Yana? How was your sleep, baby? Ay, Monty again. Where's Monty? He's outside. He's knocking the door again. Pastos ka, Monty. Yung alagang asong pasaway. Come here. Mama will fix your hair, okay? Then you will have your milk, Ayana. Ay, you get hiccups? Oh no. My baby has a hiccups. It's okay. You will grow more. Yun sabi nila. Charot. Naman tayo mga bills. But anyway, mayroong dumating na order ko. Damit to ni Bibiana. Yay! Bibiana! Ang tulong to ni Bibi Ayana ko. Bib, ayan. Oh, Ayana. Ikaw munti. Pasaway ka din. Ito, yung kanyang pangtulog. Yung kanyang pangtulog, ano na yan siya? 4 months pa lang siya, pero yung kanyang pangtulog pang 2 years old na. Pang 2 years old na yung kanyang mga damit. Kasi medyo may kalakihan yung baby ko. Okay naman yung kanyang tela. Kasi meron akong ganito. Tingnan mo naman kung gano'ng kalakihan. Mukhang maliit lang siya tingnan sa video. Pero sa personal, yung kanyang damitan talaga pang 2 years old na yan. Minsan pa nga meron pang yung kanyang 5 years old na damit ng pambata, dress niya na yun. Ayan. So meron dumating. And isa pa yung dumating, yung masakit sa sa bulsa. Dumating na yung ating electric bill. Last time yung aming bill is 5,000. Bumaba ng 5,000 mula 7,000. Ngayon, magkano kaya yung ating bill? Baby, how much is it gonna be? Tan-taran, taran. Ay. Tumaas nga. From 5,000 to 7,000. 7,000. Nakikita niyo ba? It's 7,147. 48. Pinatikim lang tayo ng 5,000 tapos tinaasan naman. Ay naku, we have to reduce our electricity. Bakit yan to kamahal naman? Ay nako. 7,000 naman si daddy mo. Baby, Ayana, come here. Baby, dali. Ano bang magtimpa pa lang ako ng gatas niya? Kaya hindi pa ito umiinom ng gatas mula kagabi. Nagsususo lang to sa akin siya. Anyway, gatas tayo, baby, Yana. Meron ka nang masuot mamaya nito, Yana. Kasi yung ganito mo, laging nauubusan ng pangtulog. Ayan na, baby, come here. You want milk? You want milk? Come to mommy, dali. What are you doing there? Later, sana mag-araw ng tuluyan para makalabas na tayo sa labas. Tayo. Gala-gala sa labas, di ba, baby Yana? Come here. You want milk? Mama will make milk. Hurry up. Yung kagat mo sa mukha, hindi parang talaga nawala. Oh, look at Monty. Look, Monty, what is doing? Come here. Where's your toy? Come on. Mama will make milk for you, okay? Show Monty. Monty, where's your toy? Did you drop it? Ah! Akoy! Kinaba. Ay, Diyos ko na yung malimal. Sorry, baby. Sorry. Kinabahan ako. Nakabukas yung pinto ng CR. Ay, Diyos ko na yung puso ko. Very good, baby. Buti hindi ka dumiretso, baby. Ayana. Kinabahan ako sa'yo. Ay! Nakainis. yung tuhod ko. Bibiana. Sorry na ha, sorry. It's my fault, baby. Naiwan kong bukas ng pinto. Ay, nako. I still have hiccups. Ayan na. Okay, you will have your milk. Kailangan natin ubusin ko sana yung gatas ko, kunti na lang. Pwede pa yan. You have your milk. Milky time. Ay, hindi pala ito malamig. Mainit. Hindi naman yata sinarado ng maayos to. Okay, I will just make it this hot, baby, okay? Just wait 5 minutes. Or maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Maybe just 2 minutes, baby. Yan na. Eh, hindi naman pala ito mainit. Akala ko naman mainit pa. Mama will boil water, okay? Just wait for a while. Hindi nga siya mainit. Come here. Oh, you bump your head. Don't go under the table. Come here. Come to Mama, dali. Come here. I got something for you. Want this? What this one? Come here, move here. Hurry, move here. Yung kanyang teeter nagustuhan niya. Kasi panay na siya kagat ng kagat. Siguro malapit na ito magnipin. Eh, nagustuhan niya naman yung binili namin. Ayan na, diba? You like the teeter? Ha? Uy, basura daw. You dropped the other one. You dropped the other one. Bibiana. What's that? You want milk? Okay, wait, hold on. Mama, I make your milk. Huwag mo kundilaan dyan, nakikiliti ako. Ayan na, come here. Come. Uunahin na yung video. Oh, come na, baby. Nakikita niya kasi yung camera, yung cellphone. Not here, not there. Come here, come. Mel, ikaw, Mel, dali. Oh, come. Mel, time. What, Mel? Ayan na, baby. Come here, kay Mama will take a shower. Bibiana. Hurry. Ay, naku. Akin na nga yung ipit. O, yung kung takip nitong suso niya, yung button niya. Mama will take a shower first, okay? Punasan mo naman ang tissue. What happened, my baby? Ay. Not in a good mood? What happened? Mom is still showering. Hi! Why my baby's crying? Sleepy now? You got something on your mouth? Leftover? Residue? Oh, sorry. Okay, Mama will finish soon. Babush! Babush peekaboo? Oh, kiss mommy, kiss mommy. Oh, Wawa man yung baby ko. Okay, wait lang. Hi, my baby Ayana is wiki-wiki. Ang batang ito. Wiki-wiki na yan. Ano ba yan? Ang bilis naman nagising ng baby ko na yan. Oh, that was a quick nap. Hi. How is my baby, Yana? How is my baby? You had a good sleep? Huh? But that was a quick nap. Ano ba yung tulog? Tama lang yan, anak, kasi mamaya para maaga tayo matulog, anak, kasi yung ating tulog hindi maganda. Hi. I love you, baby Yana. Look at me here. Are you shy? Where's my baby Yana? Oh, hi. How's my baby? 3 araw na yung nandyan sa mukha mo, baby, na kagat. Hanggang ngayon hindi pa natanggal. Malala yata yung kumagat sa'yo dyan. Ha? Kulotski ka na naman? Ha? Kulot na naman yung buhok mo. Curly na naman. What are you looking at? Ha? I love you, my baby Ayana. Baby, you will be turning 5 months old soon. What are you looking at? Huh? Tayo lang dito dalawa. Walang multo, walang mumu. Kiss mommy, kiss mommy, kiss mommy, kiss mommy. Where's my baby Yana? Where's my baby? Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy, give me. Kiss. Oy. Ay. Bye-bye. Wow, we'll go now. We'll go. Bye-bye. Kitty Pie naman yung anak ko na yan. Kitty Pie. Ha? Kitty Pie yan? Oh, take a shower soon. Hindi siya naligo kagabi ko, di ba? Ay, isa ka din. Hindi siya naligo eh. Naligo tong baby namin kagabi eh. Pinaan mo yan, pinaan mo. Ayan na. Ay, nangangamoy na kung may nasusunog na yata. Sinaing mo.
Susunog na?
Naging dukot na naman yan.
Oh my God.
You want milk, baby Yana? Want milk? You want milk? Huh? Look at you. Smile yan. You love the camera? Huh? You love watching your stuff? Hmm? Gigigil ako. Gigigil ako. Gigigil ako. Ayan na. Ah. Tingnan mo yung labi mo. Tingnan mo nga yan. Baby, look at your face. Just finish. Just finish. Ah! Bastot. Yak. Binalik. Bastos. Ayan na. Yucky. What's that? Throw it out. Huh? Spit it out, baby Yana. Pagkatapos silang magatas. And full na yung aming baby na yan. Full tummy na yan. Okay. Can I put you on your walker? So mama can do something. Do my breakfast. Can I eat my breakfast, Yana? Baby? Okay. Yan, ito lang yung aking breakfast. Konting almond, isang banana, at saka isang milk. Ayana? Yana, you're good now? Mamaya ka na maligo, baby, para isahan yung ating ligo para diretso tayo pagtulog. You want some, baby Yana? You want banana shake with almond and milk? You want some? Huh? You want this one? Gusto mo naman ang kumain. Yeah, you want this? Mas mama's breakfast. Come here. Come. Come to mommy, dali. This. Ayana, baby. Here, oh. Baby, Yana. Ayana. Hindi nakikinig tong batang ito. Ayana, baby.
Corn beef.
Wala, gusto niya sa corn beef. Ito lang yung aking breakfast. Kagigising lang ang baby Ayana. It's already evening, baby Yana. So, hanggang dito na lang yung ating video for tonight. Yeah? It's just a quick video for tonight, diba, Yana? Ano bang ginagawa mo? Tinataas mo yung paa mo. Okay? Say, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless us all. Say bye, shots. Bye, everyone.